Hello everyone. Welcome back to Meds.Concepts. In this video, we will learn about the structure, types, functions, and importance of chromosomes in living organisms. Chromosomes are extremely important because they carry genetic information from one generation to the next. So, let's begin. What are chromosomes? Chromosomes are thread-like structures present inside the nucleus of a cell. They are made up of DNA and proteins and contain the genetic information required for the growth and functioning of an organism. Chromosomes play an important role in cell division, heredity, mutation, repair, and regeneration. Discovery of chromosomes. The word chromosome means colored body because chromosomes can easily absorb certain dyes. In 1842, Carl Nageli first observed chromosome-like structures in plant cells. Later, in 1888, Waldeyer introduced the term chromosome. In 1902, Sutton and Boveri proposed that chromosomes are the physical carriers of genes. Chromosome number. Every species has a fixed number of chromosomes. Human body cells contain 46 chromosomes, which are arranged into 23 pairs. Among these, 22 pairs are autosomes, and one pair consists of sex chromosomes. Reproductive cells such as sperm and egg contain only 23 chromosomes, which is half the number found in body cells. Structure of a chromosome. A chromosome is mainly composed of DNA and histone proteins. Each chromosome contains two identical sister chromatids joined together by a centromere. The centromere acts as the attachment point for spindle fibers during cell division. The ends of chromosomes are called telomeres, which protect chromosomes from damage and fusion. Chromatin and centromere. Chromatin is a network of DNA and proteins present inside the nucleus. During cell division, chromatin condenses to form visible chromosomes. The centromere divides the chromosome into two arms: the short P arm and the long Q arm. It also helps in the movement of chromosomes during mitosis and meiosis. Organization of chromatin. DNA inside the nucleus is highly organized. It wraps around histone proteins to form structures called nucleosomes. Nucleosomes are considered the basic units of chromatin. This packaging helps long DNA molecules fit inside the nucleus and also protects DNA from tangling. Types of chromosomes based on centromere position. Based on the position of the centromere, chromosomes are classified into four types. Metacentric chromosomes have the centromere in the middle, producing equal arms. Submetacentric chromosomes have the centromere slightly away from their center, producing unequal arms. Acrocentric chromosomes have the centromere near one end, creating one very short arm and one long arm. Telocentric chromosomes have the centromere at the terminal end and are not found in humans. Types based on number of centromeres. Chromosomes can also be classified according to the number of centromeres present. Monocentric chromosomes contain a single centromere. Dicentric chromosomes possess two centromeres and are usually unstable. Acentric chromosomes lack a centromere and cannot attach to spindle fibers. Holocentric chromosomes have centromere activity distributed throughout the entire chromosome. Giant chromosomes. There are also special giant chromosomes known as polytene and lampbrush chromosomes. Polytene chromosomes are found in the salivary glands of certain insect larvae and are involved in active gene transcription. Lampbrush chromosomes are found in the oocytes of amphibians and are known for their loop-like structures that help in RNA synthesis. Karyotyping. Karyotyping is a laboratory technique used to study chromosomes. In this process, chromosomes are isolated, stained, photographed, and arranged in pairs. Karyotyping helps scientists and doctors identify chromosomal abnormalities and genetic disorders. functions and conclusion. Chromosomes carry hereditary information from one generation to another. They help regulate cell activities and ensure proper distribution of DNA during cell division. Chromosomes also protect genetic material and help control protein synthesis. In conclusion, chromosomes are essential structures that play a vital role in genetics, growth, and survival of living organisms. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more biology presentations.